Tonight we are listening to a family of four who should be comfortable at their home in their new house tonight. Instead, they're stuck in limbo. They reached out to us at CBS News Chicago with a cautionary tale about a home purchase that went wrong after closing. Lauren Victory explains the predicament.
A fresh start. That was the plan for the Hovey family with a move to the suburbs.
We found this home in Morton Grove and it just was like perfect for us. It had a really open layout, enough bedrooms.
New floors, a gleaming kitchen, every detail meticulously redone according to the listing description.
Everybody I tell this story to is just like baffled.
Baffled because their dream house is still just a dream.
We wake up in the middle of the night just like, are we going to have to spend all this money on lawyers?
The legal battle on Maple Court started after the family purchased the property, after they wired nearly $200,000 to the seller.
Please, can you get us our money back? Can you unwind this transaction?
A desperate plea to Advocates National Title Insurance Company, which facilitated the closing on February 28th. That day, an issue cropped up with something called transfer stamps.
It means that the village or the municipality where the property lies signs off on the person selling it.
The village of Morton Grove hadn't given that transfer stamps approval in time for the closing.
Does this mean we have to come back? We have to do this again because they don't have their paperwork in order? And the closer and our lawyer both said, you know, this happens sometimes. It's not a big deal.
It was a big deal. As it turns out, a Morton Grove inspector took a look at the home and,
instead of issuing transfer stamps, issued a whole list of violations to the seller.
The glitz and glam of this meticulously redone interior might be destroyed. Drywall removal may be required, notes this village inspection report that reveals the seller didn't apply for permits before remodeling. He was slapped with violations concerning wiring, vents, and the removal of a possibly load-bearing wall.
The inspector told my husband verbally not to move in, so we don't feel comfortable moving it.
Sara Hovey contacted CBS News Chicago on April 15th, more than 45 days after closing. She said she wasn't getting anywhere with fixing problems with the house. She and her husband were paying for the mortgage, rent, and a litigation attorney, who apparently told her this.
The title company should have protected you. Your attorney should have protected you. The seller's attorney should have done this. The seller should have done that. So it seems like there's enough blame to go around for all of the other parties in this. And we're just kind of like a family caught in the crossfire.
The day of that interview, CBS News Chicago reached out to everyone involved in the Hovey transaction. The title company replied, Advocates acknowledges that some elements of the claim fall within the scope of the title insurance coverage. The seller's attorney told us the seller is making the house compliant. Village representatives from Morton Grove confirm the seller did apply for permits about a month after the closing. Further inspections are needed. So things are sort of moving.
It's just been a lot of stress.
Just not the Hoveys. Lauren Victory, CBS News, Chicago.
Lauren, thanks. Many of our outstanding questions for this story are for the title insurance company. Why did the closing go through when transfer stamps were still needed? And if costs start to add up to make sure the house passes inspection, what exactly will a title insurance claim pay for? Advocates would not answer, but we put their full statement up on our website.